believe in us. God did.
Hey there, baking enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into the world of chocolate cake making. This recipe is perfect for those who want to satisfy their sweet tooth with a rich, moist, and delicious chocolate cake. So, let's get started. First, we need to gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of hot water now. Let's mix all these ingredients together. Start by combining the sugar, flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt in a large bowl. Then, add the vanilla extract and hot water, stirring until everything is well combined. Next, we'll prepare our baking pan. Grease it lightly with some butter, or you can use a nonstick spray. Once your pan is ready, pour the batter into it, making sure it's evenly distributed. Now, it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 350 F 175C and place the cake in the middle rack. Bake for about 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. And there you have it, a moist and delicious chocolate cake ready to be devoured. But wait, we're not done yet. Let's make this cake even more irresistible by adding a simple and scrumptious frosting. For the frosting, you'll need -1/2 cup of unsalted butter, softened to cups of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of hot water. To make the frosting, combine the butter, powdered sugar, cocoa powder, vanilla extract, and hot water in a large bowl. Mix everything together until you have a smooth and creamy frosting. Now, let's frost our cake. Spread the frosting evenly over the top of the cake, making sure to cover it completely. And there you have it, a delectable chocolate cake, perfect for any occasion. Thank you so much for joining me today in this chocolate cake making adventure. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious baking tips and recipes. Happy baking, everyone!